In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to alphabetize in Excel. This is a simple but very useful skill, especially when you're working with lists of names, products, categories, or any other text-based data. Alphabetizing can make your spreadsheet much easier to read, search, and organize. And the good news is that Excel makes the process very quick. To get started, open your Excel file and locate the column you want to alphabetize. Before you sort anything, take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct column because Excel will rearrange the data in that selection based on the sort order you choose. This is especially helpful when you're trying to clean up a long list and want everything to appear in a more organized format. Once you've selected the column, go to the Home tab at the top of Excel if you're not already there. On the Home tab ribbon, look for the Sort and Filter option. This is the tool you'll use to rearrange your data alphabetically. Click the drop-down menu and you'll see different sorting choices. If you want your list to go from A to Z, choose Sort Ascending. This is the option you'll usually use when you want items arranged in standard alphabetical order, starting with entries near the beginning of the alphabet and moving down to the end. If you want the reverse order instead, from Z to A, choose Sort Descending. That's useful if you want the list flipped, so items later in the alphabet appear first. As soon as you click your preferred sorting option, Excel will rearrange the selected entries based on what you chose. You'll immediately see the order update on the screen. If you selected A to Z, the values will appear in ascending alphabetical order. If you selected Z to A, they'll be placed in descending order instead. One helpful tip here is to quickly scan the results after sorting, just to confirm the column now appears the way you intended. That way, you can catch any accidental selection issues right away and make adjustments if needed. And that's really all there is to it. Once you know where the sort and filter menu is, alphabetizing in Excel becomes a fast and easy task you can use anytime you need to organize your spreadsheet more clearly